guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off this easy Dia de los Muertos Halloween look, I first go in with the Makeup Revolution white base foundation. This is a matte finish and I blend it out with a beauty sponge. And this is the same foundation I used in my previous Halloween makeup tutorial that I just uploaded. If you haven't checked it out, I will link it below. So to set the foundation, I use this white powder by Makeup Revolution. With the NYX liquid liner, I draw a circle around my eyes. And I already did it on one side so you guys can see how it looks. And then I start shading it in with this NYX Jumbo pencil that I also used in my previous Halloween makeup look. And then I start going in with my fingers and blending it on my eyelid because I was running out, so it was easy to just apply it with my finger and blend it out. So with that same jumbo pencil and an eyebrow brush, I start filling in my brows with the black, just so that there aren't any gaps in my eyebrows and to clean up the edges. Alright, so this is where it starts to come together and I start drawing the small circles around my eyes with the Sigma eyeliner. And because the NYX pencil was a cream, I am going to set it with the black eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette, because if you don't set it, then it's going to slide and move around. It's not a good look. So you got to set any cream products. So that's what I'm doing here. And then with a really tiny brush from e.l.f., I grabbed the liquid lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills in American Doll, and I start filling in the circles where it's white, and I've already done it on one side so you guys can see what I'm gonna do. And then I go back and I draw over the circles again with a black eyeliner. And now with this Sigma white liquid liner, I draw little tiny dots inside the circles. I already did it on one side so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then with a black pencil eyeliner, I start lining in my waterline. For this look, I had to use the shadow Game Over from the Desio X Katie Dose of Colors collection. I just love this shadow. It's so sparkly and black. You don't have to do this step. I just wanted to do this because I wanted to use this shadow really bad. And then I apply mascara. I'm using the Sigma mascara. I will link everything I use down below. To set the eyeliner and blend it out, I used the Jaclyn Hill palette again. So this is when I start drawing the lines and outlining the skeleton look, and I start filling in my nose with this pencil eyeliner, and then I go back in with a liquid eyeliner to make it darker. And then I start applying some lashes. These are our Dell lashes from Ulta.
Bye, Maggie.
Bye.
And you look scary. Bye, scary.
Bye, scary.
Yeah.
Come here.
Where?
Oh.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
My niece is so cute. I love her so much. Alright guys, so for my lips, I use this black liquid lipstick by Milani. Alright, so with a liquid eyeliner, I start drawing in more details. And these details I got from inspiration from looking at different pictures online. You can really just draw any type of designs that you want. These were just the easiest ones that I can do, and just to make this easy for you guys. Send my mind out to the sea and send my body And then just to add a little bit more glam, I used the Stila Diamond Dust Glitter and I apply it where I drew like the little flowers inside. And then I also apply some on my nose. With a little tiny brush inside the little upside down heart that I drew right there in the middle of my eyes. A little bit on my eyelids. And then just to create a little bit of shadowing and contouring, I grab a small fluffy brush and grab some of the black eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Very lightly start blending out the black. And I make sure I go with a really light hand because that black shadow is really pigmented. And at the same time, I use a beauty sponge just to help with the blending. I also grab a really small pencil brush and I start shading in a little bit the little gaps that I drew with the line on the side of my mouth. And then I put on this veil that I got from Party City. This literally just cost me like $10. You can probably find this at Walmart or Party City or any Halloween store. And I also applied colored contacts and this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this Halloween look. Let me know in the comment section below if you're going to be doing this for Halloween, or let me know what you are planning to be for Halloween. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and I hope to see you guys in my next video.